A Tesla Cybertruck mounted a curb, hit a wall and got wedged between a tree and another wall before bursting into flames. 3 people inside the truck were killed in the collision, while a 4th was pulled from the wreckage by the driver of a car following behind. The truck reportedly mounted a curb, smashed through a barrier and got wedged in between a tree and a wall before bursting into flames. The incident happened in Piedmont, California. The victims were 23 Piedmont high school grads, who were enrolled in college and returned home for Thanksgiving. When officers arrived on the scene, the wreckage of the truck was already engulfed in flames. Police and firefighters soon closed off the street where the crash happened while they worked to put out the flames. The cause of the crash and the ensuing blaze is not yet known. This is the 3rd deadly crash involving the Tesla Cybertruck this year.